Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. Make it a rule never to give a child a book you would not read yourself. You see things, you say why, but I dream things that never were, and I say why not. If you want to tell people the truth, make them laugh, otherwise they will kill you. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. There are two tragedies in life. One is to lose your heart's desire, the other is to gain it. If you cannot get rid of the family skeleton, you may as well make it dance. Never wrestle with pigs. You both get dirty, and the pig likes it. The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. The liar's punishment is not in the least that he is not believed, but that he cannot believe anyone else. Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time. Patriotism is, fundamentally, a conviction that a particular country is the best in the world because you were born in it. He knows nothing, and he thinks he knows everything. That points clearly to a political career. You use a glass mirror to see your face. You use your works of art to see your soul. A pessimist is a man who thinks everybody is as nasty as himself and hates them for it. My way of joking is to tell the truth. It's the funniest joke in the world. After all, the wrong road always leads somewhere. Hatred is the coward's revenge for being intimidated. Both optimist and pessimist contribute to society. The optimist invents the aeroplane, the pessimist the parachute. I am an atheist, and I thank God for it. You don't stop laughing when you grow old. You grow old when you stop laughing. Liberty means responsibility. That is why most men dread it. When a thing is funny, search it carefully for a hidden truth. The trouble with her is that she lacks the power of conversation, but not the power of speech. The most tragic thing in the world is a man of genius who is not a man of honor. We learn from experience that men never learn anything from experience. The power of accurate observation is commonly called cynicism by those who have not got it. He who can, does. He who cannot, teaches. You will never have a quiet world till you knock the patriotism out of the human race. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Doing what needs to be done may not make you happy, but it will make you great. Silence is the most perfect expression of scorn. The difference between a lady and a flower girl is not how she behaves, but how she is treated. If you can't appreciate what you have got, you should better get what you can appreciate. Choose silence of all virtues, for by it you hear other men's imperfections and conceal your own. Happy is the man who can make a living by his hobby. Beware of false knowledge. It is more dangerous than ignorance. A mistress is better than a wife because she is not for life.